Interesting.
No.
Look at my torso. 3, 2, take a big deep breath in and sleep down deeper and deeper. Everything appears in the way it should do. However, in a moment, when I say hot, you are going to feel like you're on the beach and it's the hottest day in the world and you are going to be sweating and it is going to be hot and you might even want to put some lotion on and you'll be burning, but you won't really hurt yourself, but you'll feel that heat, like you're in the Nevada desert somewhere, like too much heat for you, and it will not hurt you in any way. And when I say cold, you'll feel like you're outside in the roughest, coldest Canadian winter, minus 40 degrees where you are just freezing yourselves. It will not hurt you, but you will feel frozen. So when I say hot, you're going to be bubbling hot, you're going to be sweating, you're going to want to take more clothes off, but you will not. And when I say cold, you will feel absolutely freezing, like you might want to put more clothes on. Not yet, if you understand, accept. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, eyes open, wide awake. Just checking, you can see my head all right now, yeah?
Yeah.
You can see
and
my
your body
right now.
Yeah.
Very, very good. Weird. Hot. It's getting really hot now. You're noticing like it's summer season and we're getting into summer about 2 weeks away from now. And I'm having to put my air conditioning on. What's going on? You all right?
Yeah, it's really hot in here.
It's getting hot. Is it? It's getting hotter now. Like you might notice hot as it starts to get really. Yeah, that's weird. Did that just happen? Did it just start to get hot all of a sudden?
Yeah.
Interesting. Cold. It's an interesting thing because we both live in Canada, don't we? You live in Ottawa, the capital, and I'm in Toronto. It can be really cold, really some of the most brutal winters ever. It's just getting even colder now. How are you feeling?
Freezing now?
Really? Do you need to put like a blanket on, or it's like quite warm here? I thought like the temperatures was quite similar in Ottawa and Toronto. Cold, even colder now. You get even frozen now. Start to feel even colder. That's right, it starts to get even colder. I bet you wish you were on the beach now as it gets hotter, right? As you wish you were on that beach right now, feeling that heat on your body as you're lying back in that beach as it gets even hotter. Now it gets started in that heat all the way up. It's as hot as you could possibly take in the hottest summer on the hottest tropical beach right now in your favorite place, but way hotter than it's been any other time this year. Really hot. You're going to want to take off your clothes. You will not. You're going to be that hot though that you're just like, oh my God, you're getting way too much. You're getting well done there. How does that feel?
It's so nice and warm now. It's beautiful. I love it.
I think you like the heat more than you like the cold as it gets colder now. Minus 40 degrees now, getting colder and colder, dialing down, colder and colder. Canadian winter, Atlantic, Antarctic winter now, even more cold. It's minus 40 with a wind chill of minus 60 right now, bustling through your house right now. You all right? What's going on?
No, I'm freezing.
You're freezing. You don't look too happy there now. As you look right here, big deep breath in, tummy breath in, and sleep. Eyes down, head down, deeper and deeper.